Welcome, in front of me I have ASUS Zenfone 8 and today I'll show you how you can take care of the battery in this device. So here we got the couple of the great options. You have to go for the settings and find the battery. When you are here, you have to scroll down and go for the battery care. So let's start. At first we are going to focus on the steady charging. So when we enable this feature, we will charge the battery in a slow and steady pace and we will protect our battery. So definitely let's enable this feature, and when you enter for it, you can spot here that we can adjust the charging rate limiter. We can go for the ultra steady or the steady, so we have to decide what you want to get. If you want to protect your battery in the best way, go for the ultra steady. Next, just go back. Here we got also the charging limit. So when we set a lower charging limit, we will extend the battery lifespan. So for example, if you don't need to charge your battery to 100%, for example, you are going only outside for like, I don't know, maybe 2 hours or something like that. Let's hit the 80%. When you go for 5-6 hours outside, let's go for the 90. And when you go for the whole day outside, just go for the 100%. But always I can recommend you to go for the 80. It will definitely helps our battery to be in the good condition. And also we get here the scheduled charging. So if you want to charge your phone when you sleep and you want to make it a little bit better than normal, you can simply adjust two things. You can activate end time when you set up your alarm clock. So when you use alarm clock, it will automatically set the end time according to our alarm clock, and the first alarm must be set after the start time. If you don't use the alarm clock, you always go sleep at the same time. For example, you go for the 11 p.m. and the end time you can pick at 5 a.m. and in this time our smartphone will be charging steady and a good pace and protect our battery. I mean, these settings will protect our battery, and here we can find your battery care, your habits, and basically that's all. Of course, you can use something like scheduled power saving or low battery power saving. So when you, for example, under 20% of the battery, now we can go for the durable or ultra durable power saving mode. And basically that's all, and that's how you can protect your battery in ASUS Zenfone 8. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.